We are going to draw and color the numbers 1 through 10. Assalamu alaikum. Step number 1. Outline with the black marker. Carefully trace over each pencil marker with your black marker. Take your time to create nice and clear outlines. For number 2. Very good. Then move to the number 3. Great job. Very good. Number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Good. Step 2. Add some color. Let's use a different vibrant color for each number to make them attractive. For number 1, let's use red color. Same like this. For number 2, pick a bright yellow color in the number 2. For number 3, how about a lovely orange color in number 3? For number 4, let's use a nice green color in number 4. Like this. Very good. For number 5, a brown color would look great. Color in number 5. For number 6, choose a cool blue color in number 6. For number 7, choose lime green color in number 7. For number 8, a deep dark blue color would be perfect. Color in number 8. Good. For number 9, let's use pink color. Color in number 9. For number 10, for the final number, the 1 and the 0, let's use two colors. You can use brown for the 1 and red for the 0, or any two colors you like. Move to the 0. 0 in red color. Very good. Great job. You did it very well. Allah Hafiz.